politics over NEET is continuing to intensify, specifically in the state of Bihar, with Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha alleging that it is the RJD that is responsible for this. In fact, he held a press conference a short while ago and he claimed that the party has evidence that it is an aide of former Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav who is involved in this alleged paper leak. In fact, RJD has blamed the BJP for saying that for being the epicenter of paper leaks. It has said that it's the BJP-ruled states, including Haryana, Bihar and also Gujarat, that are the centers of paper leak with respect to NEET. Bihar is ruled by NDA, which also has the BJP as the constituent. Its Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is part of the NDA. This is an important charge that the BJP has levelled against the opposition, with politics around NEET intensifying. Let's listen into what he said.
प्रीतम कुमार यहीं पर पीएस थे जब ये मंत्री विभाग के थे तेजस्वी यादव जी और इसीलिए वो मंत्री शब्द का वहां उपयोग करवा लिए। तेजस्वी जी अपने आज सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के संदर्भ में स्पष्ट करें कि वो आज भी उनके आप सचिव हैं। मांग करूंगा कि इन लोगों के उच्च स्तरीय जांच हो।
So these are some important charges that Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha, is making. This is after RJD claimed that BJP-ruled states, including Haryana and Bihar, which is ruled by NDA ally JDU and also BJP, and of course Gujarat, which have come at the center point of this NEET controversy, with police in each of these states actually registering an FIR. In fact, in Haryana, the spotlight is on this one center in Bahadurgarh where 6 students emerged as toppers, and the center, of course, came under scrutiny. Remember, there's a retest that has been ordered for all those students who have received grace marks. That had become a big point of controversy. Supreme Court has also taken cognizance of the NEET controversy, and it has in fact lashed out at the NTA, saying that even a small negligence has to be dealt with because it concerns lives of students. And I have my colleague Prabhakar joining us with more details on this. Prabhakar joins us from Patna. Prabhakar, tell us, Patna in some ways has become the center point of politics that's playing out over NEET, with BJP blaming RJD and RJD blaming BJP.
See, the table has turned for the RJD. RJD was one party which was blaming BJP for this entire paper leak, and they were demanding that there should be a thorough inquiry into it, and also that the students who appeared for the examination, their future is being played with by the government. Now, here comes the two names, Pritam and Sikandar. Both are supposed to be very close to the Lalu family, very close aide of Tejasvi Yadav, and they are involved with the main kingpin of the NEET alleged paper leak scam. So now it's the BJP which is demanding the inquiry into it. The BJP is demanding as to what role the close aide of Tejasvi Yadav has in this paper leak and how they were associated with it. He has given the details of it, and it's a matter of inquiry as to whether they were actually involved in it or not. But it's certain that now the BJP is on offensive and the RJD is on defensive, and RJD now has to clarify whether the close aide of Tejasvi Yadav was really involved into it or not. And remember, we have shown the exclusive visuals of the confessional statement of 4 other students who had appeared for the exams. They were interrogated by EOU, that is the Economic Offence Wing of Bihar Police, and they have confessed on record that the paper leak has happened. What they have put on record is that they were given a dummy question paper 2 days back. They were asked to mug up the answer sheets, the answers for those questions, and when they appeared on the examination day, the question paper which they got in the examination hall, it was actually the same as they were given 2 days back. So that establishes the fact that there was a question paper leak in the NET paper leak scam, the alleged paper leak scam, as they have been telling. So it is now established on record that that the paper leak has happened, the EOU, Bihar Police Unit, has been called by HRD Ministry, Government of India, to appear before them at Delhi to update them regarding the investigation which has been conducted by Bihar Police so far. But politically speaking, it's a political brickbat battle which is happening in Patna, and it's the RJD which is on defensive now.
Right. Thank you, Prabhakar, for joining us with those details.